Surveys are recommended for Android phones according to the experience I had so far, because while taking surveys on Android, there are some setup that you can do and it will still leak. Now, I made a research and I came across this particular update I'm about sharing with you in this video, whereby you can download a particular VPN and you can take surveys with your iPhone. Now, Android users, you can still watch this video to learn some things about what I'm about to show iPhone users, that is the iOS. Now, before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, what we do right on this platform is to leverage online platforms that actually we can use to get some rewards for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. And for my returning subscribers, I always say thank you for always coming back to watch my video and give the video a thumbs up. You are the reason why I'm progressing right in this channel. Thank you and keep on doing the good work you're doing. Now we are actually going straight to the point. Now, in the process of this video, and you have any questions, please do well to drop them on the comment section. Remember, I always give replies to all my comments. Now, what we're going to be doing is to come over to App Store. You can see that right here. Now, remember, we are working with the iOS device. Now, when you come over to your App Store right here, come down right here and search for VPN Unlimited. VPN Unlimited Proxy. Unlimited proxy. So this is it. You click on it. Now you might have different VPN Unlimited. This is VPN Unlimited Proxy. So this is VPN. So this is VPN Unlimited Proxy. You might have so many of them like this. Now, how do you detect the one that you are to use for this? Now, to cut the story short, this is the one you're to go to. This is the one you're to go to. Look at it with the background. So take note of that. This is what you have to go to. Now click on get. So you are going to be waiting for it to install. Let's go ahead to install this. Okay, so now we are downloading it. Okay, we are downloading it now. Hold on. Okay, so you don't open it after you might have downloaded it for your iOS. This is what you're going to be doing. Now you come to your settings. This is the VPN. Okay, come to your settings now. Now you're going to, let's just come right here. Let's search for location. Okay, location. So come to location. Come right here. Now, this is what you're going to be doing. Turn this off. Turn it off. You can see that this is VPN Super Unlimited. Okay. VPN Unlimited Proxy. So click on agree, allow. Now this particular VPN is a paid VPN. Now how do you use it for free? Now you are going to be clicking on 7 days free trial and click on proceed with ads. Okay, you can click 7 days free trial, or you might not click on that, but I know why I'm clicking on 7 days free trial. Then click on proceed with ads or restore purchase. So proceed with ads. So that is how to use this particular VPN for free. You can see what I did. Now we are going to come down to fastest location. So come down to fastest location. Now you can see how you can use all this particular location for free. Now why are you using it for free? You're using it for free because we have bypassed that process. Let me see if I can go back so you can understand what I'm saying. Okay, no need. Let's just come right here. So let's just go straight to the point. This is United Kingdom, so I'll select that. Let me see, I'm going to select that. Click on allow. Okay, now it will direct you to your settings. Then you come down to your settings where you can find VPN and device management. Click on that. Now you can see VPN Unlimited Proxy right here. So you can see that it's saying not connected. So some of you might go into survey platforms without getting your VPN connected. Now I'm making this video for some of you to try surveys and see how much you can make from it. Then you can now say, okay, I want to go into getting the course. Now once you click on this, I see I'm connected to WinScribe before, so I'm going to come right here and click on connecting. Okay, so you can see I'm connected. So let's go back. You can see the VPN that displays. So now let's go back. You can see that our VPN unlimited proxy has been connected. It is very simple. Now let's go back to our VPN. So right here you can see what it's doing. It's connecting. It's actually connecting to the United Kingdom. So you can see I chose this particular location, which is the United Kingdom. So let's say we come right here. So it's actually connecting. Remember, this is a paid VPN and we maneuver it by getting over to the free version of it. So that is how you can get connected to VPN Unlimited Proxy for free. So let's hold on until it gets connected. So sometimes an ad will be displayed. The reason why ads are displayed is because you are not paying for it. Now for those that actually purchase this VPN, nothing like ads for them. Now the reason why an ad is being displayed is that different companies are paying them to display ads on their platform, so you have to watch that. That is the essence of you using something that is free. You don't have to benefit from everything. Now those of them that got it with their money, they are actually going to bypass those ads. Ads will not be stopping them from connecting their VPN. So let's connect this. So I don't know why it's taking long. Back to home. Let's come right here. Let's select fastest location. Let's click on connect. So you can see that we are connected now. We are connected to this particular location. So you can see that you are connected. Now let's just rate this 5-star. Let's just rate this 5-star. So you can just rate it, drop a review. Let's submit this. So this is not part of it. So let's go back to, so we are connected to this. So let me say you want to get connected. We are already connected to the United Kingdom. You can see that. So let's click on LifePoint. So that is a trending survey right now. So let's click on join. So right here, this is LifePoint. Now the reason why I'm choosing LifePoint for this particular VPN was that it works perfectly with it. So you can go ahead to use this particular VPN Unlimited to do LifePoints and you don't have issues on your account. Trust me, you're going to be having good results. Now VPN Unlimited also works well with other surveys, but I first of all tested it with LifePoint. Now let's say we want to create an account for ourselves. Let's say we are going, let me show you the process of registering an account for yourself. So let me say I'm going with this email address, sign up, and the sign up process is very simple and straightforward. So now you've inserted your email address. Let's come right here and put in our name. Let me just say okay, let me just say James. Okay, so let me come right here and put in my date of birth, and let me put in the year. Let me put 2000. So I think this should go. So I'm going to come right here. Let me put the month to be number figure. Okay, so you come right here and click on next. Okay, so now we just need to put in a password. Let me put in a password. Then you come down right here and click on yes, I have read. So that is that. So once you put in your password, you can see that the process of registration is very simple. I don't want to go ahead creating this account because I have created about 2 to 3 accounts with this particular device, so I don't want to risk creating another account. I just want to show you how to use this particular VPN Unlimited Proxy to create an account on LifePoint, so you can easily do that and have access to your account. Now I made videos on how you can answer profiling question. You can go ahead to watch that and know how to answer profiling question. Now all surveys always require a profiling question. The reason why you're having a profiling question is because they want to know that you are ready to do what you are to do. Now you're not supposed to come into surveys without having the intentions of doing surveys. Okay, so they want active users to be on surveys to answer their questions. So what you're going to be doing is just to agree to terms of service, and you're going to click on sign up, then follow the process to set up an account on LifePoint. Now, there's a secret I want to tell you about LifePoint and generally on surveys. Now, to avoid disconnections most times, once you've connected on this connected status, come down to VPN Super, this particular information icon, click on that. Now, connect on demand. Connect on demand should be turned on. Look at what I did. Once you're connected right here, it's showing connecting now. Once you're connected, click on this information icon. Then connect on demand should be turned on. You can see now it's counting down, so it does not disconnect. Turn it on. Now, once you turn it on, you turn this on back. You can see it's connected. Now, when you go back to this, you can see it's actually counting up, not counting down. It's counting up and not counting down. Before it was counting down. So once it's count down, it's going to disconnect. Now it's counting up. You are sure that you are not going to be disconnected. Come back right here. It's connected. If you actually want to get more service on your account, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be having, if you have 2 or 3 devices, you are going to be changing your location. There is something I noticed about surveys. If you have an Android or an iPhone or a system, a laptop, make sure you have an account on the United Kingdom, UK, US, different countries, and you'll be seeing how you'll be unlocking surveys for yourself. Sometimes they will tell you that surveys are not available for UK accounts. Now, when you log into a US account, you are going to be seeing multiple of surveys. That is, if you have an alternative account. For some of us that don't have alternative account, that is the only means you use in getting surveys. So you have to wait when there are available surveys on your account. So LifePoints actually is user friendly, which you can start now because you earn in points, and you also have withdrawal threshold, which you can always withdraw when you work hard. There's no amount or guaranteed earnings you are to earn depending on your effort. So the more effort you put in answering questions on surveys, the more earnings you are having to yourself. Now, it depends on how you want to take survey business. It depends on how you want to take it serious. There are so many people that every morning they actually take surveys before going to work. There are some people that they take it as a full-time business where they actually attend to surveys from beginning of the day till the end, and they know how much they are making. So it depends on how you want to start up with your own. If it's only in the evening, if it's only in the afternoon, depending on it. But I would advise you start up surveys very early in the morning and maybe around midday in the day. So that is how you can leverage LifePoint using VPN unlimited proxy. And I hope with this you can able to start something with surveys and have more understanding on how survey works. Now, if you have any questions regarding all what I said, feel free to drop them on the comment section below. Now, for some of us that are very much interested in starting surveys, that really want a mentorship, you can reach out to me and you start surveys instantly and you start seeing results of your effort. So that is how survey works. You can find the link to my Telegram channel on the pinned comment section. Join my Telegram channel for more updates on surveys and other platforms which you can leverage on in today's world. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section, and I hope you got value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify whenever I upload any valuable content. And I will see you on my next video. Keep winning.